how to redeem codes in Roblox Ninja Battlegrounds. Now for you to be able to redeem it, all you have to do is open up any preferred browser you want and just head directly to roblox.com's official site. Once you're here, you'll have to log into your account and then just immediately search for the experience, which is going to be the Ninja Battlegrounds. Now just simply start the game up, and before you redeem the code, you need to have a code first so that we will be entering it just on the game itself without any problems. So again, access the game, and once you're here, you will be able to see a gear icon right side of a mastery, which are all your skills. So just click on the gear icon right here, which will take you to your settings. And once you're here, this is going to be the part in which you will have to input the code. So for example, I'm going to be entering testing 101. And once you have entered your code, just simply click on claim for you to be able to redeem it. So that's it. That's how you redeem code in Roblox Ninja Battlegrounds.